Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see HR tag in HTML. HR stands for horizontal row. So this tag is used to give a horizontal line between two paragraphs, between two tags. So in this video we are going to see how to apply that HR tag, what is the functioning of HR tag, and we'll try to apply some CSS part of HR tag. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. So as you can see, there are the two paragraphs I have already written, and we'll try to apply HR tag between them. So as I have already told you, HR tag is a horizontal row which is used to set the row between two paragraphs or any two tags. So now we will try to apply the HR tag between the two paragraphs. So when I apply HR tag and when I save this code and go to my hr.html, you can see a horizontal line between the two paragraphs. So HR tag is used to give a horizontal row between two tags. So this is HR tag. Now we will try to apply some CSS, inline CSS to HR tag, and we'll see what happens. So now we will try to apply some CSS over HR tag. Now the first thing we will do is to set the width of this HR tag, and the width I have set to the 50%. So when I refresh the page, you can see the width is reduced to 50%. Now we will try to set the height of that HR tag. So when I try height equals to 25 pixel, then when I refresh this page, you can see the height is of that HR tag is equals to 25 pixel. Now we will try to apply some margin and padding, and we'll see what happens. When I apply margin, top equals to 5%, and then we can see the output. The margin has been applied and the margin top is applied as a 5%. And when I give padding equals to 5%, then you can see the size of the horizontal row is increased because I have give the padding. Padding always work inside the box and margin will always work outside the box. So when I give margin, the margin will work here, and when I give padding, padding will work here. So you can see the padding is work. Now I will try to apply a border. Border equals to 10 pixels solid black. So when I refresh, you can see a border also over 10 pixels solid black. So in this way the HR tag will work. You can apply more functioning to the HR tag. You can see more videos, you can read more articles regarding HR tag, but this is a basic functioning regarding HR tag that I have shown. So if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, everyone who wants to learn HTML. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in next video.